want to make money online in Uganda, but you don't have money for investment, or maybe you are tired of getting scammed by investing in pawn schemes, I've made this video specifically for you. Keep it to the end because I'm going to share with you 3 ways you can make money online in Uganda without investment. These ways are realistic, they are real, they can make you money online. That's why I'm going to tell you what you need to hear, not what you want to hear. Now, as we get started, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you are new. Now, the first way you can make money using your phone is becoming a middleman. Now, how can you become a middleman? And who is a middleman? A middleman ye bloka mu Uganda. Now, osobola okubanga webuuza nti how am I going to get clients since I'm not connected? No one knows me. Even those brokers you see making money every day, no one knew them before they started. Now, the good thing, you have your phone and you have internet access. So what you're going to do is to create several pages on several social media platforms. Let me say Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and then look around your community. What can you access easily? Be it tomatoes, passion fruits, or anything. Use the borders, land, or anything. So you can become a blogger by advertising on your social media platforms that you sell and you buy. So those people who have those properties, they are going to reach out to you selling them, and the customers who need them, when they want to buy. So that means you are going to be a broker in between the buyer and the seller. So you're going to be making money that way, like other brokers in Uganda. The second way you can make money online in Uganda with just your phone, internet connection, no investment, is becoming a content creator. Now, how are you going to become a content creator and then you start making money from your content? Let's forget about spending our data watching TikTok all day. Let's use our data creating YouTube channels, creating blogs. You can create a YouTube channel and then you start posting content. Make sure that you post helpful content. At the end of the day, you're going to monetize your YouTube channel. But on YouTube, it can take you some time, even a year, to monetize. But at least, instead of wasting your data in other things that are not helpful, you rather create a YouTube channel and you start posting your content there. At the end of the day, you can monetize your content and you make money online. Now, the last way is selling your skills. How are you going to sell your skills? Do you have any skill? Don't be ashamed. Most of the times we Ugandans, we get ashamed of our own skills. Yet other people out there do want to learn our skills from us. Go out there and create maybe a YouTube channel, a Facebook page or Facebook account, Instagram or TikTok account. Start telling people that you have a certain skill and you can train those people who need that skill. For example, I do crypto. I'm a crypto coach and I train people who want to start trading Binance Spot. So if anyone out there needs to learn Binance Spot, they can reach me on that WhatsApp number. So I'm not ashamed of my skill. I do coaching about crypto. You can also do the same, no matter the skill you have, be it dancing, doing some creative things or anything. People out there need that skill. Can you teach a language? You can do that. Many people out there seeking for the teachers who can teach them those languages online. So you can become an online tutor by selling your skills online. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Those are the ways you can make money I've shared today. More ways to come. Like the video, leave a nice comment if you found it helpful.